If anyone knows anything about a red bold lip, it is Rihanna, because she is pretty much known for it. So Rihanna just came out with a brand new beauty line called Fenty. I knew the minute she launched it that I wanted to test out her Stunna lip paint in the uncensored red. She claims, and I'm actually gonna read it verbatim from her website, it's a 1-stroke intensity, 12-hour matte wear that's so weightless you forget you're wearing it. So that claim sounds very similar to Kylie Jenner's Lip Kit claim, and we all know what I think about her lipstick. First of all, my lips have cracks on them. My lips look like I'm 100 years old. They are so drying, I can't wait to put up my Burt's Bees. So we have 2 celebrities, 2 lip paints, very similar claims. So we're gonna put them to the test, and let's give it a try. So what I'm gonna do is take off my lip gloss that I have now and put Fenty on half of my face, and then Kylie's on the other half. Wear them for a full 12 hours, then come back to you guys and let you know A, which one lasted the full 12 hours, and which one dried out my lips the least. 12 hours is a very long time to wear one lipstick with one swipe. It's a pretty big claim, Rihanna. So here we go. All right, so we're taking, ooh, I like the packaging. It's kind of cool. Way cooler than this one, just saying. And I already love the color, and Rihanna does, whoa, check out the brush. It's like, goes thin and then fat at the end. That's kind of cool. And I already like the red color. Rihanna did say that this red looks great on all skin types. And as you can see right now, my lips are very well moist, not dry. As you can see, when you first take the applicator out, it has a lot of liquid on the tip. So you don't necessarily want to start applying your lipstick on the edge because then it'll be too thick. So start kind of in the middle. That looks funny. Okay, honestly, as you guys just watched, that was a one dunk application. So far, Rihanna's claim is true, and it went on very smooth. So far, it doesn't look drying. It's not getting in the cracks. So far, so good. It went on very nicely. And as you saw, I didn't even use a lip liner, and it went on really nice. Now, Kylie Jenner's. Love-hate relationship right now because I know this one's gonna dry out my lips. That looks kind of funny. Half is berry, half is red. Whatever. Honestly, let's just get it off my teeth first. Already, immediately, this one went on drier. And you can already kind of see it getting into the creases. This one was super smooth. It went on, there was a lot of liquid that went onto my lips to begin with. Rihanna's, the Fenty, has 0 smell. Whereas Kylie Jenner's, whether you like it or you don't, it kind of has a sweet smell. It smells like chocolate, kind of. So if you like smells, this one has it. If you don't, this is neutral, no smell. Fenty has no smell. So far, my initial thoughts, I'm all for Fenty. It went on so smooth, no lip liner needed. It doesn't feel drying, no smell, which I like. I'm gonna wear this for 12 hours, that is a long time, and then come back to you guys, let you know which one lasted and how dry my lips are. And now I gotta spend the rest of the day with half berry lips and half red lips. This is how much I love you guys. Another reason why I like Fenty Beauty better already is because you can actually get your hands on it. Rihanna's beauty line is actually sold at Sephora, unlike Kylie Jenner, where you have to order on her website only and it's on back order for like a million months. All right, 12 hours later, I've actually been counting down the hours because Kylie Jenner's side is drying out my lips. And as you can tell, Rihanna's side has not even budged. It is so weightless that I actually forgot it's even on my lips until I feel this weird side. And this side has like gone into my teeth. It's completely faded. So overall, Kylie Jenner, my thoughts have not changed. Not necessarily a fan of her lip kit. Rihanna, total fan. It has not moved. I have kissed my dog. I have worked all day. I have eaten. I have drank out of water bottles and cups. Has not moved. Kylie Jenner's, it's gone. So Rihanna, you get a double thumbs up. Fenty Beauty, I say yes to. Well, there you have it. The results were pretty obvious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, I wanna know from you guys which lipstick you liked better, so let me know in the comments below. And if you think I'm a little too hard on Kylie Jenner, well, too bad. That's my opinion. I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.